quiet afternoon at a McDonald's drive-thru suddenly spirals into chaos when a disorderly customer refuses to leave. And moments later, officers find themselves in a violent struggle outside their cruiser.
She refused to take my dollar to give me 30 cents after I paid it for extra cheese.
They want you trespass, so I'm filling out a paper.
Oh, go ahead,
okay?
fill it out.
It's going to have your information on it so that you can't come back on the property.
Who wants to?
You're going to make it more difficult than it has to be.
If you arrest me, I promise you, you're going to have a problem.
I won't have a problem.
Yes, you will.
No.
I'm not giving you nothing. I already said it.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Put
No,
your
I'm
hands
not.
behind your back.
No, I'm not.
You are under arrest for failure to identify.
January 16th, 2023, Butler Township, Ohio. Officers respond to a call of a hostile customer inside McDonald's. What should have been a simple trespass notice quickly takes a dark turn when 36-year-old Laticka Hancock refuses to comply. The smell of alcohol is in the air, and tensions rise as she refuses to hand over her ID.
Hi, did you have a bad day inside?
No, sir. I went through the drive-thru earlier.
Okay.
She refused to take my dollar to give me 30 cents after I paid it for extra cheese.
Okay.
There was a young lady who was very nice, by the way, before I got introduced to this lady in the burgundy.
Okay.
She asked the lady in the burgundy shirt to remake my sandwich. She comes up to the desk, wanted me to pay her another 30 cents. So 49 plus 30 plus 30. For what when I'm not even getting enough pieces of cheese. You only put one on here when I already paid the 49 cents for the extra piece of cheese. So now you're charging me 60 cents more. So then she got an attitude because I asked her for a refund and called the police because she didn't want to give me back my money. And I told them I'm in a black truck and I'm waiting. Okay. She finally gave me the refund literally 8 seconds before I got in the car and started it up. The problem was all I wanted was to be remade with an extra piece of cheese.
I completely understand.
She started screaming at me, and I'm just like, well, ma'am, she explained it to you. Why won't you go make it? Well, you need to pay me 30 cents. I said, the lady that just came and got the paper already took the 30 cents on top of the 49. Why would I give another 30 cents, which makes it 60 plus 49 cents?
So they've made you whole?
No.
They haven't made you whole?
Well, I mean, yeah, she gave me my money back, so I'm gonna go somewhere else. But
okay.
The problem was she should have just remade it like the lady asked her. I came all the way back here to get my sandwich. Obviously, I wanted to go home with it. I didn't understand where she got confused at after the lady already said, yeah, just go ahead and remake it, put a piece of cheese in the middle. She started getting all extra, wanting me to pay her again. No, ma'am, it doesn't work like that. I paid now 3 times for only 1 piece of cheese that I still didn't even get.
Okay.
So she gave me a refund. I'm leaving. She started screaming at me, telling me to have a good day and not to come back here. And I said, I won't.
So you didn't say anything. You was a complete angel. Because I'm getting information, you're getting disorderly in the store.
Sure did.
Okay, all right.
I did.
So here's what's going to happen. You've been made whole, right? You got your money back.
I'm leaving. You pulled up. I didn't want you to have to chase me
So
down
here's
the
what we're
street.
going to do. They want you trespass. They don't.
Who cares?
Just listen. I know. It doesn't mean anything.
It's a McDonald's.
They don't want
can't
you.
Even
There's
do it
one
right.
on every corner.
Customers are right. Thank you.
Okay.
I won't come back
Does this
here.
car come back to you?
No, it does not.
Okay. Can I get a driver's license number or something from you, or name and date of birth?
I don't have one.
Well, I'm going to issue a trespass notice, and I have to fill out a piece of paper.
I can care less.
Okay.
What you're
I just need some information.
No.
But I
She
do.
gave a description. You can use that, but no, sir.
So I'm filling out a paper.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
Fill it out.
It's going to have your information on it so that you can't come back on the property.
Who wants to? It's a McDonald's.
I understand
like you said,
that,
there's one
but
over
I have
the
to serve you
corner.
with a piece of
I'm
paper.
not about to give you my info. Sorry.
You are,
I just
because
won't
it's a
come back
crime
here.
if you don't.
No, it's not.
Because you're trespassing.
The crime is her being nasty and won't make my sandwich the way I paid for it. It's my money.
Okay.
That's nasty.
You're going to make it more difficult than it has to be.
If you arrest me, I promise you, you're going to have a problem.
I won't have a problem.
Yes, you will.
No.
Ma'am,
not over a
we're
sandwich.
just trying to identify
Not
you to
over
give you a
a
piece of
sandwich.
paper.
This is deep.
All I want to do is
Okay,
give you a
that's
piece of
it. You have to
For
identify
what?
yourself.
There's so many McDonald's out here.
Because
For
we
what?
we've already explained
She
that to
was
you.
the rude ass.
Ma'am,
disorderly.
stop.
Take it up to another level.
Stop.
Take it up to another
Bring
level.
yours down.
Stop.
Because I'm done.
Fine.
Stop.
I'm going to piece of paper.
That's
For
it.
what? Over a sandwich that she
Criminal-
refused to make?
Are you going to stop and listen, or are
Who's
you
going
going
to
to
go in
holler?
there and make her remake
If
my
you
sandwich?
don't stop,
Nobody.
If you don't stop, you're going to end up
Fine.
going to jail. Stop.
Hancock, Hancock, write it down so I
Calm
can go.
down.
No, because you're not about to act like
No,
that over a sandwich
stop.
she didn't make right.
Stop. You don't need to go to jail over this.
Exactly.
Okay, so
That's
calm
what I'm
down.
saying. Like over a sandwich.
You're making us your enemy.
I'm ready. I gave you my info.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I said my
Calm
last name,
down.
Hancock, 3616. Damn. Over a burger that she didn't even make right. That I traveled way far
Are you
for.
going to listen to me? Miss Hancock, what's your first name? The easiest thing to do is just give us your info. We give you a we give you a piece of paper and you don't come back. Then you're free to leave.
You told me I'm trespassed, so I'm not coming back.
So we have to serve you with a criminal trespass notice.
No, you don't.
Yes, by law we do.
No, you just want to
then we're going to arrest you. Then we're going to arrest you.
No, you're
not. To identify.
No, you're not.
Then identify yourself.
No.
Yes.
For what? Over a sandwich?
Stop.
She didn't
identify yourself or we'll have to arrest you. Now stop.
Over a sandwich?
Yes, over a sandwich. So you're making a bad decision over.
Every day though. But you coming for me over a burger? Y'all, it's too much.
You're not leaving until you identify yourself.
Bruh, if you don't get the...
You better calm down.
I'm not giving you nothing. I already said it.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
You are under arrest for failure to identify.
Don't
put your hands.
Okay, my last name is Hancock. I already told you that.
Behind your back.
No, I don't want to.
Put your hands.
It's Laticka. I'm telling you.
Hands behind your back.
Sorry,
put your hands.
Okay, down. I will get down. Can I please
turn around and face the car.
Up against turn around and face the car.
Oh my God! Why would you punch me? Why would you punch me? Look at my face! Why are you punching me? Why did you punch me? Look at my mouth! Oh my God!
That's all right. She's stacked.
I know. I'm just gonna have to
go on the side.
In the car.
My last. Look at my face. Why did you punch me? I didn't even hit you. Why, can I have something for my mouth, please? Why would you punch me like
Butler
that?
311.
Why? Why? You didn't need to punch me.
That's when you don't cooperate.
Just long she resisted.
Get your shoe. Get your shoe. Get your shoe.
Where is it? I can't see it.
Put your shoe on.
I'm trying to catch my breath. I'm sorry.
Didn't have to even be this way.
Can I just please go home now?
No, you're going to jail.
Come on.
Please, can I go home?
Come on.
Okay. My name is Laticka.
Laticka, it didn't have to be this way, Laticka.
I'm sorry, please.
It didn't have to be this way.
I want to go home. Okay. My mouth.
Yeah.
Do y'all give people stuff?
You got to call an ambulance?
I got it.
I can't.
Seated.
Excuse me, sir.
Listen to me. Stop
Why
and listen.
you punch me
Stop
like
and
that? My
listen.
mouth hurts.
Stop and listen. Do you have any guns or knives on you?
Do I have a what?
Guns or knives on you?
No. My lip feels like it's busted or something.
It is. We're going to
see you.
But I mean, like, is my skin on my lip hanging? Because it feels like it.
Nope.
My lip is busted, sir.
Butler 310, can you start a medic?
I don't have no.
Not emergency. Ma'am, it didn't even have to be this
I
way.
don't want to go, please.
You're going.
No,
Stop.
You brought it to this.
Sit down till the medic gets here to see
I don't
you.
want to go.
You don't have a choice.
You just caused us to use force against you.
No, but you
ca-
punched me on
did
your
you-
own will.
No, it's because you were
I didn't
resisting.
punch you.
You don't have to.
I didn't resist.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I'm a female. Look at my
It's
mouth.
all resisting. It don't matter what sex you are.
In the car.
When officers attempt to place Hancock under arrest, she resists, violently pulling away as commands echo through the parking lot. The confrontation slams one officer against his own cruiser, with such force that the side mirror snaps against the window. As the struggle intensifies, officers warn of a taser deployment. Instead, one palm strike to the face finally takes the fight out of Hancock. Bleeding, cursing, and still refusing, she is dragged into the back of the patrol car as shocked bystanders watch in disbelief.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Hi.
Give you a couple of witness statements about how she was inside the store.
Okay, I got you. Here, I'll call you back later, call. All right, bye.
There's a clipboard for you.
Oh, sorry. Thank
Anybody else witness it?
you.
I'll be back in a few minutes, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Paramedics get here and they'll look.
You got trespass notice?
Yeah, I got it. I've got her info.
Go ahead and add it.
Well, I might have her.
Excuse me. What do you mean? I'm not even doing anything. Oh, that's your shadow. I'm like, what is back here?
Man, can I ask you a question? Have you had anything to drink today?
Huh?
Have you had anything to drink today?
I just cracked it open. I spilled half of it in the car.
Because I could smell
Not on
when we
me.
were talking. It's not me.
Sobriety or whatever.
Sobriety?
Yeah.
It's not on me.
Right. Sobriety, some shit, something.
Ma'am, we're going to treat you fair and we're going to treat you honest. You shouldn't have put us in that position.
But can I just...
No. Unfortunately, when we have to make a physical arrest and we have to go hands-on, then you got to go to jail.
But you didn't even have to punch me.
Ma'am, you were pulling away from me.
But you didn't have to do that. That really like my mouth.
Hey, did it work?
Can you call the number for me so my brother can come get his car?
No, it's going to get towed.
Right now, what's your address? Where do you live?
232 Ferdinand Road, Dayton, Ohio, 45415.
So we had one resist, and I punched her in the mouth. She busted her mouth open. So let's just put some gauze on it, wipe it up, and we'll get her to the jail.
Works for me. Grab some.
More time on that? I'm sorry. Okay.
Are you going to cooperate, or do we have to fight you again to get you in the car? I want them to look at your mouth. To do that, we got to open the door. Matter of fact, just stay right there.
Can you come on this side?
No, we'll just come on this side. Okay? Can I put your seatbelt on you? Well, seatbelt's all jacked up now. Stay right there.
Can you just come over here to be
No,
easier?
I don't want to fight with you again.
And nobody's trying to fight with you. You the one that aggressive. You the one punched me in my mouth.
Well, you're the one that wouldn't cooperate.
Anybody talking to you?
Well, I'm talking to you.
Well, who cares? Bye. Can you send a medic or you can close the door?
Hancock out of the...
You try to be nice and polite and treat you with respect, and that's where you go.
But can I do the whatever that I didn't pronounce right? Sobriety.
What's that going to do? We're not saying you're drunk on DUI. I just asked you if you had anything to drink today. You ready?
No.
How are you, sir?
My skin is gone and everything.
She's mad now because I punched her in her mouth, but she would rather, could have got tased. But it worked. She calmed down. Well, she's not calmed down. I'm the bad guy now. All right, you ready?
I know, because you wouldn't.
I don't want to open that door because she came out on me already.
All right, I'm gonna just stir
I'm
water.
not gonna fight you.
No, I'm not worried about that. I just want to clean the blood up off your face, okay?
Okay.
Take a couple. I'm looking
Yeah,
in your
can you
teeth.
do it without?
I just need to clean your mouth.
Good times.
Yeah. Red flower,
Why don't you look at my hand?
Clean her up. We just clean her up.
Yeah. You got a trespass notice for me? I don't have any more.
Yep. I was trying to find it.
Oh.
It's going to be a silver sedan. Possible OBI was southbound on 140 from Shaw.
Yeah, you'll have to ask the jail.
Victor Nora 7117. He almost hit a parked car on the side of the road. And he ran the stop sign at school
When
gate.
you say criminal charges, did I ask that? I couldn't remember. Did you say they're all misdemeanors?
2 misdemeanor charges
Which is call yourself in on myself.
and resisting arrest. Here's the nicest thing I can tell you. Get court behind you. Learn from the mistake. If you need help, get some help. Therapy, whatever it is, right? But just learn from your mistake. Don't let this happen to you again. It ain't worth it. Right?
I'm just, yeah.
I know. It sucks.
No, but
But learn from it.
I'm just glad you weren't there though, because you can put your business card in my bag. Don't forget about
Butler 311, go ahead and mark it.
1 sec. Route CJ, adult female, break for beginning.
Go ahead.
58.9. Again, 58.9. You're alright. Z.
1740. Thank you.
The best end of the alphabet starts from the rear.
I've never did this whole thing.
Just remember, here is not for fun. Just try not to ever come back here. I know. Yes. Can you look that way with your hands that way? Spin your whole body so your hands are that way so I can adjust your cuffs. Give me a minute and I'll be right to you. You're all right. No rush.
I was going to try to do it the way you wanted me to.
Use my car.
To do what?
Lean up against my car with your belly. Nope, with your belly. Spread your feet. Spread, spread, spread. There you go. Just stay like that. You're all right.
My finger is...
So this hand has to come out. Well, I know. I have to get my handcuff key in there, though. Right? Listen, keep your hand behind your back. Behind your back. Now, give me
Can
your...
I do this, though?
Yep, for a minute. Palm together. You see how this palm? There you go. That's how they're supposed to be. Do you see the difference?
No, I don't see it, but I feel it.
Oh, well, you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, I'm just making
Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Everything in your pocket's going to go in here.
It's a lighter and some receipts. And there's a hole in my pocket, so you might want to dig to this part.
Inside, oh, hold on. Inside your coat, is there more pockets in your coat?
No, but you
Nope.
can check.
All right, you do have a shirt on under here?
I have
It's for your...
tank top, I think.
But you covered.
Yeah.
Take a seat on the bench. As soon as the COs are ready, they're going to call you through this door next.
Which one's that?
Yep, just take a seat. What up? All right. Here, hold on.
Thank you.
All right, I have a couple more questions that's required by law, okay? Are you suicidal?
No.
No. Alcohol or drugs?
Like, do I?
Have you used alcohol or drugs today? Smoked marijuana,
I
meth?
have a sip of that wine in that can, but I'm not.
That's you're not drunk. All right, that's it.
Once secured, medics treat Hancock for a superficial mouth injury. A search of her vehicle reveals an open container of high-alcohol liquor, half empty on the floorboard. Hancock is charged with driving under suspension, open container, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. What started as a fast food dispute ended with handcuffs, blood, and a trip to the Montgomery County Jail. Want more unbelievable police encounters? Subscribe to Bodycam 24/7 and never miss the next wild moment caught on Bodycam.